Welcome to English Silver.
Tom learns about dieting. One day in Ms. Green's class, little Tom raised his hand. "Ms. Green, what does dieting mean?" he asked. Ms. Green smiled. "Dieting means eating special food to stay healthy or lose weight," she explained. Tom looked confused. "But why do people need to eat special food?" he asked. Ms. Green thought for a moment. "Sometimes people eat too much candy or fast food. It's not good for their bodies. Dieting helps them eat better food." Tom nodded slowly. "Oh, so dieting is like when Mom makes me eat broccoli instead of cookies?" Ms. Green laughed. "Yes, that's right. Eating more vegetables and less sugar is part of dieting." Just then, Lucy raised her hand. "Ms. Green, does dieting mean you can't eat any fun food?" she asked. Ms. Green shook her head. "No, Lucy. You can still eat fun food, just not all the time. It's about balance." The class seemed satisfied with this answer, but then Sam spoke up. "My dog is on a diet. He eats special food from the vet." Ms. Green nodded. "That's right, Sam, animals can diet too, to stay healthy." Suddenly, Tom's eyes grew wide. "Ms. Green, can plants go on a diet?" he asked. Ms. Green chuckled. "No, Tom. Plants don't need to diet. They just need water, sunlight, and good soil." The class laughed, and Tom smiled, feeling clever for asking a funny question. At the end of the day, Ms. Green said, "Remember, everyone, dieting is just about making good choices with food. It's not a punishment, but a way to stay healthy." As the students packed up to go home, Tom whispered to Lucy, "I think I will start dieting. I will eat 1 cookie instead of 5. Lucy giggled. "Me too, but I will have 2 cookies." Ms. Green overheard and smiled. "It sounds like you both understand now. Good job." And with that, the students left, thinking about broccoli, cookies, and dieting dogs, happy and a bit wiser.